Now I will to introduce the 305 Resit assignment that I have developed. A client plus a RESTful API. Okay, actually I will to show you some brief requirements of the Resit assignment's RESTful API. And during this process, I have developed a client plus a RESTful API, and the client app should be able to interact with the API from each other. That means when the client sends some data stored in NoSQL database to the server, and the server will receive the data and will to give some response to the client side. Actually, the user is specified can be able to register and log in, and can add books, and can remove or delete books, and can also to obtain the book's information by querying the ISBN number and the associated books information. Actually, the tools and basically and technologies used in this application is can be briefly described from three aspects. The first, as a programming language, is JavaScript, and we have used the basic framework. Node.js is very necessary, and I have used MongoDB as a NoSQL database uh, to store the data actually. And I have eventually will use the Postman and terminal to test the RESTful API. It should be attributed to the server side actually. Actually, I will show you to the clean side how does it working actually. Okay, and firstly is my project directory, and in the and you can see here I have defined the ports as 3000. So I will to go to this port URL to show how does the client working. Actually, it's yes, yes, yes. Actually, I will login name and password, and login name and password is stored previously in MongoDB NoSQL database, and we can actually go register. And actually, I have used a software wrote Mongo to store the data, and, and the user actually you can see here, and I have used Tom, and Tom username, and the password is 123123 actually. So actually, I can use the I can go register first. Yes, actually, I want to use home 123 and register, and come register size it will alter. Actually, the terminal will also to give you and post the API user to status codes, and 200 means it's okay. Actually, yeah, it's right. Let's continue. And we can also use this login name and password login login site. Actually, we can use this ISBN name, author, and price, and some introduction of each book will stored in the MongoDB, and the MongoDB has been connected already connected. Actually, we can use some commands to operate it. Your Mongo, and we can use here books, and I have created 4 books, and then it has also price and introduction actually. Yes, it's document, and we can also continue to insert document actually. Now we won't do that. Actually, we can also to add these books to our read list, actually add its size, and we can also view it, and it is specified introduction actually. Actually, we can also to search it 002 is here. Yes. Actually, we can also to remove it. The login size. Actually, add released. and we can also go to our my reading list, and we can also delete it that we don't want to remove exercise actually. Okay, and the client server side can be attributed to the views. The view directory is here is login. Actually, you can see here is some HTML file. Actually, we use Ajax technology to send a request to the terminal server to use to get actually and login name and the password. And login password actually is stored in here book.js, and here is the SBN name with the data with JSON format is stored in the Mongo the MongoDB actually. And actually okay, it's released also login name, create date, and the register is here. Yeah, actually. Okay, the clean site, and we will continue to go to test our RESTful API eventually. It's very important. And you can see after JS is we have defined express as a require express and a pause. We want to express some package for our JavaScript and Node.js, and Mongoose is the third-party package for the MongoDB. We must use this, and okay, and we will to test it. Yes, actually, it's a Postman actually. Firstly, we will to use the get to create the user. We will first test this. Actually, okay. Let's see. Okay, now this. Usually, I think it should be this post. Yeah, post at the basic some refresh together, and we can choose the next actually. And success, and we can rate the success is a poster actually, and we can also to add books or to get the information depending on the SBN number actually. Three actually. That's it. Version normal, and we can to yeah, you can see this book information has been retrieved with the details. It's book 3, and we can also to oh yes, this is a password and Tom and 123, and we can to get it. Actually, it's success. Tom login success, and we can also to delete the books that we don't want to remain. Yes, but actually here we want to the login number, login name, and our an ISBN number. Actually, we can usually use this ISBN. We want to yeah, it's to remove site, and we can also to post here. Yes, yes, success, and this is add success, and the server will to give a response success when we want to add books, and we can also to okay, yeah, this we have done that. Introduce three basic here. Yes, and some information about the books we retrieved depending on the SB number 1002, and always is 200 is okay actually. I know you can say to know yes. Many times we have sent many requests to the server, and the server also give our the response that we can access to this server. So this RESTful API class clean has been completed successfully. So, okay, thank you for watching. Yes.